I'm all in. Keys to my house. Put it in your life jacket. I like it. You know that's not class legal, right? Say something!
The Commodore.
Hello? Mr. Commodore. Yes. Yes, she's here. I understand. Yes, the team, we've been I know. Okay. I'll make the call. Mal. The horn. Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope they come.
They will.
It's a cue.
Protest.
It's go time. Hey, we can't sell anymore. You need to pull your own weight. Stop making me laugh, Alejandro. We gotta go, Alejandro.
Yeah! 5 more than yesterday.
That's what stepping here on mass does.
Alright, kid, you got this, kid. You've done this before. There's so many bears and a while. You got this right now. It's over! I told you nothing's gonna come out of this, kid. Oh, you gotta go, kid.
And oh, so mother clean, no blood spatter or evidence, long distance with the beam.
JT, I've done it. The perfect sale. We have to go.
Let's go, girls. I'm going out tonight. I'm feeling alright. Gonna let it all hang out. Wanna make some noise, really raise my voice. Yeah, I wanna scream and shout.
Can you pass the sunscreen?
Oh yeah, sure, girl.
Thanks.
It's hot today. Anna the whore. Wait, Anna! You gotta listen to this.
Welcome back to Sailing Snacks, and today we're going to be working on brownies. Right here we have our chocolate brownies, and boy, oh boy, do they smell fabulous. So,
Alright, time to put them in.
You'll have the guest honors. And now for a quick commercial break.
Alright, now this is what they should look like when they're finished.
Oh my goodness, they smell great. So don't forget, you need to have.
We gotta go.
Oh, okay, but we need to finish the brownies.
Mikey. Ready to do this.
Bet you're wondering why I called you all here. It's because Erie race team has been a joke lately. Bay Week's coming up. The time is now. Out there in practice, looks like Alejandro's the only one trying. Good job, Alejandro. But seriously, y'all. Last year at Bay, not a good showing for Erie. Let's run through the list, Mal. We lost the Skit. We didn't win team sportsmanship, and we sure as heck didn't win Bay Week. Not any of the races. You're making her want to cry. This is sickening, you guys. It makes me sick. I want to vomit. You're like human diarrhea. Don't laugh. Don't chuckle. First things first, though. Lily, you're not going to bed.
Oh.
Get out! Don't look back. All right, guys. We need to clean up our act. All right? We need to be fast. We need to be furious! What the hell is the ball? We need to be fast.
You depend on our protection, yet you feed us lies from the tabletop.
Now, are there any questions? Yes, Peter.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself.